Hello everyone, welcome to Chirag's certification tutorial. In this video, we are going to learn how to get 100% free learn CrateDB fundamentals and advanced time series with course with certificate. So what is the CrateDB? CrateDB is the open source distributed SQL server designed for the handling real-time analytics at scale. It combines the flexibility of NoSQL with the power of SQL, so you can use, store, query massive amount of data, especially time series, machine data, and IoT data using standard SQL. So key features of CrateDB. So SQL for big data. So query huge data set with the ANSI SQL. No need to learn how new query language. Time series friendly, built for IoT, sensors, monitoring, and event driven data. Distributed and scalable, run on cluster scales horizontally with sharding and replication. Real time analytics, designed for fast integration and querying for the millions of records per second. Integration work well with the Kafka, Grafana, Spark, and other data tools. So common use cases for using the CrateDB. So IoT and sensor data, smart devices, industrial monitoring devices, and time series analytics. There's a matrix, KPIs, uh, telemetry data. Cyber security and monitoring, log analysis, anomaly detection, fleet and logistic management, real-time tracking data, energy and utilities, smart grids, energy usage monitoring. So this is the registration link. We'll go through this registration link for the CrateDB. So welcome to the CrateDB. This is a learning hub dedicated to empowering data enthusiasts with the tools and knowledge to harness the power of CrateDB. Whether you are the beginner or an experienced professional, our comprehensive program is designed for to provide you with the skill of start in the first project or advance further with CrateDB. This is a sign up. Check out the courses, enroll and get certified. So CrateDB fundamental is there, advanced time series is there. So you'll get the certificate like this. So certificate of completion, the certificate awarded to your name and other details will be there. So CrateDB fundamentals, we'll go through that. You have to complete all the lessons and last enroll the CrateDB fundamental course now. Get certified. So sign up there. Or similar, the advanced time series, you have to advanced time series, you have to run everything. Go to the lesson 16 is there and here lesson 35 is there. So you have to go one by one and last you will get certificate. So this is the process. So let me sign up. So put your name. So job title, database administrator. So reCAPTCHA is there. Now I'm going to submit. So this form was submitted successfully. Send an email to finalize your account creation. It may take a few minutes and land with the mailbox. So let me open my Gmail address. So check your spam folder. Sender name is CrateDB. Let me check with the spam folder also. No, I didn't get till now. So I wait for a few minutes. So meanwhile, go back and here the fundamental. So, so go one by one lesson. So sign in there and sign up option is there. Same, it will go for the same account. Okay, so I got the mail. So you can now finalize the your account creation for the CrateDB Academy. So register to view content. So click here. So name, password, set your password. So save password. So welcome to CrateDB Academy. We're excited you here. We have fun learning more about the CrateDB. So click on get started. There is both the courses are there, the advanced and this is a fundamental. Go for the fundamental first. Do everything, just complete everything. The start course button is there. So now one by one you have to complete all the things. We have a final exam. Okay. So take a quiz. This is the our exam is there about the exam and there is a final exam. Its last point is final exam. So complete everything and get certified there. So in this video we have learned how to get 100% free learn CrateDB fundamental and advanced time series course with the certificate. So step by step process I have shown you to registration means sign up and login also and how to subscribe the how to start the course. So for any doubts and query, please write on the YouTube video comment section. Follow the process shown in the video. Please subscribe for the more videos. Don't forget to follow, like, share and comment. Hope this will help. Thank you for watching.